I'm gonna teach you how to do this. So you get your pinky up, and then you say girl without moving your lips and leaving it open. Girl, 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 girl.